Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a rice mask at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of uncooked white rice, 2 tablespoons of milk or water, and 1 tablespoon of honey or aloe vera gel. These simple items are likely already in your kitchen. This mask is a natural way to refresh your skin, offering a gentle and effective treatment. Let's get started with the preparation steps right away. Now let's prepare the rice. First, rinse 1/4 cup of rice thoroughly under cold water to remove any impurities. Then, soak the clean rice in water for about 30 minutes. After soaking, cook the rice with a small amount of water until it becomes very soft and mushy, almost like a paste. Finally, blend the cooked rice with 2 tablespoons of milk or water until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. This forms the base of your nourishing mask. With your mask prepared, it's time for application. Ensure your face is clean and dry before gently applying an even layer of the rice mask. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the natural ingredients to work their magic. After the time is up, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, then gently pat your skin dry. You'll notice a refreshed, brighter complexion and softer skin, thanks to this simple, homemade treatment. To maximize the benefits, use this rice mask 1 to 2 times per week. For storage, any leftover mask can be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Always perform a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin, to ensure no irritation occurs. This natural mask is a wonderful addition to your skincare routine. Also, for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.